Hi, I'm Anna Sakula with BizBash, and we're here tonight at Pier 36 for Target's Party for Good, which is part of this year's National Conference on Volunteering and Service. 6 days ago, this site on the East River was just an empty warehouse where the team from Cara Events spent countless hours building, rigging, and furnishing it into a comfortable place for guests to relax and give back a little.
So basically, we're making 150,000 meals here. We're packing, each meal kit feeds a family of 4 for 3 days. So we've got a 65,000 square foot warehouse here. We've got 2 meal kit activation areas. Guests come, they make a meal kit.
In boxes from the food bank for New York City, guests are packing items from Target's Archer's Farm and Market Pantry owned brands, such as oatmeal, multigrain pasta, and canned chunk white tuna.
The whole idea is as we reach different meal milestones, 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, until we reach our goal of 150,000, we have different events happen on stage. A celebrity comes out, we have a live performance, we've got a whole stage program, graphics, and some just really great packages that were created just for this. So it's a whole stage show, it's a meal kit activation area, so it's a service project and a party all in one.
There's plenty of room to lounge, scores of food at the buffet stations, lots of drinks at the bars.
I think it's absolutely wonderful. Actually, I was thinking that when I go back home, when we do our food boxes for Thanksgiving, we're going to have a party and do it.
It's great to be able to add service and being able to give back when you come and, you know, enjoy yourself at these kind of events. And so to tie the two is a great example of what can be done other places and other events.
You can go to a banquet and sit down and wear a gown and you know, write a check, but to actually sort of get into it and get your hands dirty and sort of actually, you know, be part of the process, I think it's cool. It's a unique experience, and it lets you see more about, okay, these kits are actually going to go to a family and everyone gets to actually help make them.
This is Anna Sakula, and that about wraps it up for Target's Party for Good. For more information on this event and others like it, please visit bizbash.com.